Hi. Today we are gonna learn how to lock your iPhone or any iDevice without pressing power button but using a simple trick of double tap. So, this is my iPhone. Going to Settings. Then Accessibility. Come to Touch. Now switch on AssistiveTouch. Mine was switched on earlier. You will get this button on the screen. This is called AssistiveTouch button. To switch on lock screen with this button, come to double tap. And make sure that lock screen is ticked. You are all set. Now, whenever you need to lock your screen, need not to press power button. But double tap on this will lock the phone for you. So this is how you can simply use double tap to lock your screen without power button. Hope this helped you a lot. Please be with us and also subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.